Hi, my name is JP McFarlane, and I am a product manager here at D-Link Networks. What I want to talk today about is an innovative feature on our WebSmart and Smart switches, also included on our managed switches, is a function called Auto Surveillance VLAN. Now, when you're traditionally building a network, it requires you to have certain knowledge about the network switches, about how to configure those switches, and if you're adding on things like IP surveillance cameras, especially in an industry that may not necessarily be knowledgeable about IP networks, Auto Surveillance VLAN makes it very, very easy to configure your switches without necessarily having very much knowledge about the configuration of the switch itself. Traditionally, when you plug in any devices into the network, all the devices are added simultaneously onto the network. And what you would normally have to do in order to decrease bottlenecks is to set up functions, namely VLANs and quality of service. Now, again, what that requires you to know is how to configure the switch, how to create those VLANs, how that operates across multiple networks and multiple switches as well. With the Auto Surveillance VLAN function within D-Link switches, what that allows the network administrator to do is automatically turn on the function and have that switch determine where the IP cameras are located on that switch, where your VMS software is located, or VMS servers are located, and where your storage is located, and automatically prioritize and send that to a different section of the network. Now, the advantage there for end users is that you will not have any bottlenecks, you'll prioritize your traffic, and you also don't need to necessarily have any knowledge about the operation of the switch and the existing network. The other advantage of Auto Surveillance VLAN within D-Link switches as well is it allows you to automatically or easily move your cameras between different ports on that switch and not necessarily have to reconfigure that switch as well. So it makes it very, very easy when adding additional cameras, additional storage servers, and additional VMS servers as well. And again, not necessarily having any knowledge about where those servers or storage are located on the network. For more information about D-Link products, Auto Surveillance VLAN, any of the cameras or switches that we do currently carry, please go to www.dlink.com or call your local sales rep.